Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. Today is the 13th of November. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. I spent the entire weekend working on the rig, and it finally came to be. I've managed to activate 6 out of 8 GPUs, so I need to still figure that out and have an update video on how that's going, the mining, but that's probably tomorrow because I need to edit it. I was hoping to do it today, but that's not going to happen. So instead, let's have a quick look at the market today and see how that's doing. Because there was a little bit of FUD that came out just a couple of days ago. Bitcoin dipped to 36,000, and everybody's, of course, releasing articles about the end of the world. But right now, Bitcoin is at 37,000. It's up in 7 days, and 6% in 7 days. Ethereum's up, everything's green, even the stable coins are green. Tether and USDC, like literally everything across the board except for Stellar is green, so that's nice to see. Cardano is at 38 cents, which is good. Luna Classic has also been pumping. Luna Classic is, I don't know even know what position it is in, but it's at 83 with a bunch of decimals in front of it. 99. Luna Classic is 99. That's nice. There you go. 0.000084. It was at 9 and a wee bit. Total supply is 6 trillion. Circulating supply is at 5 trillion, which means that 1 trillion tokens has been burned. That is massive. That is massive. That's nice. That's nice. So that's why the pump is happening on Terra Classic. Meowcoin. Meowcoin hasn't budged a lot, actually. It dipped a little bit. I guess it's up on percentage wise, but here max, of course, it's way down from its all-time high. Last 7 days, how's it been doing? Been doing all right. It peaked up at 15. I think that was me pumping it, and then it dipped back down. There's some interest in it. Somebody messaged me on Twitter saying that they were from the Chinese community and they were interested in getting in, but they wanted to know if Meowcoin was going to be released on Web3 because they're used to trading on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. Meowcoin is not a token. It doesn't run on Ethereum, and it doesn't run on Binance Smart Chain. It runs on its own chain, and it's mineable on its own chain, which was forked off of Raven, which was forked off of other ones, and Bitcoin in the end. So yeah, you won't find Meowcoin running on Ethereum unless at some point in some future endeavors there happens to be a developer who creates a bridge of some sort for whatever purpose, although I'm not sure that's necessary. In any case, things are looking good. Bitcoin on the charts. Bitcoin has had a good run, actually. If you look on the weekly, Bitcoin's has 4 green candles, so basically 4 weeks during which it's been pumping. And so any FUD that comes out recently is just ungrounded. It's just FUD, so fear not. Bitcoin's been moving above the trend line here. On the weekly, it's like I said, it's got 4 weeks in the green, so there may be some retracement going back to this trend line. On the daily charts, it's above it, and it's if you pull a Fibonacci retracement, brings us here. So right now Bitcoin's between the 0382 and this O right here. weekly, if you go on the 1 hour chart, another fib. Right here, this is where Bitcoin bounced off of 36,000. So it touched 37.9 right here, and then retraced back to 36. And right now it's traveling across the channel of the Fibonacci retracement of 0.32 and 0 right here. So it's bound to be bouncing up here somewhere within this range. We might see it dip again down to 36, and if it does break down through the 36, then we could see another stop at 35. But of course, if it doesn't, then you know, we'll just keep watching on what's happening and where it's going to go from here. Daily Huddle released an article saying that Bitcoin is showing bearish signals as miners unload 175 million in Bitcoin crypto. And Bitcoin crypto strategist, a closely followed crypto analyst, is issuing a warning saying Bitcoin is just flashed a signal suggesting that a sell-off event may be imminent. Crypto strategist, whatever his name is. So I guess he's looking on the weekly as well here. Looking at the activity of Bitcoin miners, Martinez says that the investors cohort has been using the recent rally to unload thousands of Bitcoin. So investors, I'm not sure who the investors are, maybe the miners who are trying to recoup some of their profits that have been, you know, they've been stacking it up over the bear market, and now they're trying to make some of it back. But you know that there is there banks and institutions are snapping up Bitcoin because now is the time to get in, and so I don't think it's going to be going back down anytime soon. If you look at Morpheus on the 1 hour, let's see on the daily. Yeah, on the daily we've got, it's in the green, so we've got money still flowing in. It hasn't begun retracing. On here, on the 1 hour chart, yeah, it's well in the green. And I guess there was some retracement here, some money went out, but it looks like it's coming back in here. On the weekly, we're just seeing a slow move towards money coming in, so there will be dips and that, but I would suggest, you know, not to, if you're actively trading, of course you must be looking for the dips and the movements of Bitcoin. But if you are a holder, then I would say no worries unless some black swan event happens again, or the stock market crashes and the economy goes all to shit, then we've got something to fear. Otherwise, this is going to be a build up towards the Bitcoin halving next year, and the imminent bull run that's going to follow that, especially with the announcement of ETFs, which are, I guess, on the brink of happening. Of course, if for some reason, for whatever reason, all the ETFs are turned down, then of course we're going to see a massive crash of everything. So, you know, it's crypto, so anything could happen. But based on the charts, we're looking okay right now. So fear not the FUD released. Just read it and be informed of what's happening, but don't panic too much because, you know, there's nothing to panic. Make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for another update video. I'm going to let you know how the mining went. The mining went actually very well. With the exception of, you know, I don't think I've got enough PSU for the rig. I need to figure that out, but I was hashing away, and it was nice to see that the rig was working. So that video is coming up soon, so make sure to come back for that. And of course, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.